Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change OPay password. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the OPay app on your device and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this home page with an amazing user interface. From this home screen, check the bottom right corner of your screen. In the bottom right corner of your screen, go ahead and click on the Me tab. And once you do that, within the Me section, go ahead and tap on the settings wheel. There's a settings cog wheel at the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, it's going to take you here. You have a couple of options here: login settings, payment settings, saving settings, hoping settings, security questions, SMS alert subscription theme, access keyboard, clipboard, radar security center, close account, feedback and suggestions, and you have about. So just go ahead and click on login settings and take you to this window where you have a couple of options. You have change password, you forgot password, auto logout settings, set up pattern, login fingerprint. Go ahead and click on change password. Now you have to input your current password to verify your identity. Input your current password. Once you do that, it's 6 digits. Once you do that and you verify your identity, the next step is to set your new password. Enter your new password, ensure that it meets the required criteria for security. Then re-enter your new password. Now, once you do that, tap Save to update your password. Here are a couple of important things for you to note. Ensure that your new password is strong and secure. Then, do not share your password with anyone. Likewise, if you encounter any issues in the process, contact OPay customer support. And that's it. You have successfully changed your OPay password. Stay secure and enjoy seamless transactions on OPay. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.